Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. What should you do when driving in foggy weather? Check all that apply. A. Dip your headlights. B. Use your high beam headlights. C. Use a rear fog light if your car has one. D. Turn off your lights. The correct answer is A, C. Question 2. When you're turning to the right, when must you signal? A. Only if other traffic is behind you or approaching you. B. Always, and for at least 2 seconds before you turn. C. Always, and for at least 3 seconds before you turn. The correct answer is C. Question 3. When driving on a motorway, what are you not permitted to do? Check all that apply. A. Make a U-turn. B. Stop, unless in an emergency or waiting in queued traffic. C. Drop off or pick up passengers. D. Pass a car on the left. The correct answer is A, B, C. Question 4. Which vehicle must give way? A. Red motorcycle. B. Blue car. The correct answer is A. Question 5. Where should your feet be when seated on your motorcycle? A. On the pillion foot rests. B. Firm on the foot rests. C. Away from the controls. D. Tilted away from the front. The correct answer is B. Question 6. Your hazard lights should be used when. Select all that apply. A. You've come upon slow-moving traffic and have had to stop quick. There's a chance the vehicles behind you won't have enough time to stop and run into you. B. You're changing a tire on the side of the road. C. Your vehicle broke down and is on the side of the road getting towed. D. You've parked on a broken yellow line to pick something up. The correct answer is B, C. Question 7. When red lights are flashing at a railway level crossing, what should you do? A. Look both ways and cross if there are no trains coming. B. Remain stopped until the lights are no longer flashing. C. As soon as the train has passed, you can go. The correct answer is B. Question 8. What does this sign mean? A. Pedestrian crossing ahead. B. Keep watch for children. C. Swimming classes are nearby. The correct answer is B. Question 9. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 10. What does this sign mean? A. As long as you don't stop for longer than 5 minutes, then you can stop here. B. As long as there is a person in the vehicle who can move it, then you can stop here. C. If you have a broken or fractured body part and are in a cast, then you can stop here. D. Only if you have a mobility parking permit can you stop here. The correct answer is D. Question 11. Flush medians can be used at what time? Check all that apply. A. To overtake a vehicle driving slow. B. To park while picking up or dropping off pedestrians. C. To slow down and wait before turning right from the road. D. To wait to merge into an opening in the traffic once you've turned right. The correct answer is C. D. Question 12. What does this sign mean? A. Reverse back to the last exit by pulling into the hard shoulder. B. Turn around and go back the way you came. C. Turn round at the next side road. D. This lane must proceed straight ahead. E. Be aware of potential obstacles. The correct answer is D. Question 13. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 14. What should you do when passing a horse and rider? A. Toot your horn to warn them that you are behind them. B. Speed by the horse to avoid hitting it. C. Pass slowly. D. Flash your high beams to warn them you are there. The correct answer is C. Question 15. Crosswinds can occur when A. When it's bad weather out. B. As a large truck approaches you. C. As you leave the protection of a building. The correct answer is C. Question 16. On a slippery surface, what brake S should be used? A. Only the rear. B. Only the front. C. Both, but use the back brake first as gently as possible. D. Both, but use the front brake first and as gently as possible. The correct answer is D. Question 17. Why is it dangerous to travel in other riders' blind spots? A. It's not dangerous. The blind spot will change as soon as the rider starts to move and they'll be able to see you. B. The other motorist is more likely to move into your space, risking an accident. The correct answer is B. Question 18. When are you not required to wear a safety belt? Select all that apply. A. If you wouldn't be able to remain in control of the vehicle while reversing. B. If you are a taxi driver working for hire. C. If the vehicle you're in travels less than 50 kilometers per hour and you are the driver or passenger in the vehicle that makes frequent stops. D. If you cannot reach the controls with your safety belt on. E. If you have an exemption from a medical doctor for not wearing a safety belt. The correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. Question 19. What do you have to do if you are given medication by your doctor that does not affect your driving? A. You shouldn't be driving on any medication, do not drive. B. You can drive whenever you want. C. You must report to at least 3 people where you are driving at all times. The correct answer is B. Question 20. What does this marking mean? A. Electric and hybrid vehicles can be charged here. B. Only buses can park here. C. Cycle lane ahead. D. Fire hydrant. The correct answer is D. Question 21. The closest distance that your vehicle may be parked to a vehicle entrance is A. 1 meter. B. 2 meters. C. 4 meters. D. 5 meters. The correct answer is A. Question 22. The main reason for wearing protective clothing is what? A. Makes for a smoother ride. B. To help prevent serious injury or death. C. To help other drivers see you better. The correct answer is B. Question 23. Where would you see this cat's eye? A. Left side of road. B. Center line of road. C. Right side of road. D. Passing lane. The correct answer is B. Question 24. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 25. What hours can you drive on your own if you have a restricted license? A. 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. B. Dawn to dusk. C. 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. D. 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. The correct answer is A. Question 26. If you exceed the speed limit by 11 to 20 kilometers per hour, how many demerit points do you receive? A. 10 points. B. 20 points. C. 30 points. D. 40 points. The correct answer is B. Question 27. If you are driving in fog, which of your vehicle's lights do you have on? A. Park lights. Side lights. B. Front and rear fog lights. C. Dipped headlights. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 28. What does this sign mean? A. Only vehicles that are towing need to drive at 70 km per hour. B. No parking for 70 meters on either side of this sign. C. The maximum speed is 70 miles per hour. D. The maximum speed is 70 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. Question 29. In a 50 km per hour zone, excluding an emergency, when should you use your horn? A. Between midnight and 6 a.m. B. Between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. C. Any time you are near a hospital or in a school zone. D. Between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. E. Between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. The correct answer is E. Question 30. If you need to slow in a curve, how should you do it? A. Use both brakes gently. B. Only use the front brake gently. C. Only use the rear brake gently. The correct answer is A. Question 31. Which vehicle must give way? A. Red car. B. Blue car. The correct answer is A. Question 32. What should you assume if another vehicle can enter your path? A. Because your light is on, it has seen you. B. It could enter your path as it hasn't seen you. The correct answer is B. Question 33. What does this sign mean? A. Up ahead, there is a train station. B. Up ahead, there is a railway level crossing. C. Up ahead, there is a tourist railway station. The correct answer is B. Question 34. Can you drag a load you are carrying in your vehicle on the ground? A. No. B. Yes. The correct answer is A. Question 35. Holding your knees against the petrol tank will help you do what the most? A. Build strength to help with control. B. Go faster. C. Better mileage. D. Balance. The correct answer is D.